First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been, oh, the way that things have been, oh. Second things second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea, oh, the master of my sea, oh.
May this conference be a testament to the power of unity, purpose, and collective action in driving positive change in healthcare. With that, I declare the Philippine Conference on Medical Physics officially open. Let us embrace the opportunities that lie ahead and embark on this journey of discovery and enlightenment together. Maayong buntag sa tanan, magsadya ta Cebu!
Joining us this year, and as part of the organizers, we're very happy that you actually came to Cebu and registered and participated in our annual conference.